wall look. It was kind of what it was. It was like a false wall kind of look. It has deeper bass for some reason.
Could you tell me your name real quick, man? What's all in here?
It's Chad. We got 4 Scar EBLs. Used to be a 4th order. Kind of ripped it out, went a different way with it.
Okay.
Running a Taramps bass 5K. It's under here.
Yep.
Got North Star 480.
Yep.
300 amp. I put out.
Okay.
Box is tuned to about 32.
Yep.
31-ish.
Okay. You did all the work?
Yeah, I did.
Nice.
It actually took me some time. I've actually been watching you on the video, man. I want to do my board up here next.
What's your tuning on it?
32-ish.
32?
31.
Okay. All right.
It's been a process, you know.
Hey, learning curve, work as you go. It's a lot of work.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Can I see the back?
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome.
It's not all that pretty.
That's all right. Sometimes loud bass ain't pretty.
Yeah. Well, I built the box for Scar SBRs.
Yep.
Kind of extended it a bit.
So what made you do a loading wall on top of an unknown wall?
Well, I like the false wall look. It was kind of what it was. It was like a false wall kind of look. It has deeper bass for some reason. Like when before I had all this sound, just had this in there.
Yeah.
It didn't sound as good.
It probably gave you a slightly different bandwidth because it's acting like a cabin back here.
Exactly.
So it's like you got a ported enclosure, a second port, and it's not completely sealed. So you have like a 6th order with an additional ported. So it's like ported and 6.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to explain. That's pretty cool.
It's different.
Yes, different. I've never seen something like this. So, nice to meet you. What was your name?
Chad.
Jeff. Thank you. Chad.
Yes.
Chad. All right, Chad. You have a good day.
You too, buddy.
All right.
Anything specific you want to hear?
Whatever you know that does well in your system. You know your system, I'm sure, more. So it's something that plays loud at your peak. Normally peak frequency during music songs hit best. demo. Thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.